So what's up, homies? This is what we got. So I've had this Eldorado for a while, and I got at a decent price because of the condition, and I'll show you this monstrosity. So bam, look at that. Persian lime fire mist, and yeah, white and lime interior. Man, check that out. I had to buy it. So this thing is got some issues. As we can see, it's all been pressure washed and there's no drive line. So basically this car I bought for next to nothing, and was gonna, I had visions of grandeur, and one thing led to another, and I've got too many projects, I don't need it, and yada yada. So this guy's been after me forever and came by today, gave me an offer I could not refuse. So I'm gonna get it running. So transmission has been done for a while, and the diff is right here, and I've got a ton of parts for these things. So basically the guy wanted too much money for it. I wouldn't buy it. Somebody out of Georgia road tested it and blew it up, and the guy called me back, and I made him an offer, and I bought it with a motor that it actually kicked 2 rods out. One rod came through the cam and broke it. It was bad news bears. So anyhow, this guy's been after me forever, came by today, and I've had an idea what I want to do with the car, but it doesn't matter. I've got too many projects. I need to get rid of my stuff because my dream car is a 59 Cadillac, and I will, before I die, I hope, own a 59 Cadillac. So that being said, we're fixing a bunch of stuff I've got and getting rid of it. So I had one Eldorado motor that I was going to build and put in something, and I have several spare motors left. However, this was out of an Eldorado. I robbed the pan and oil pickup tube off of it. But so next project, this motor here in this crate is a 500 out of an Eldorado. I've had this forever. You can see by the manifold there. So yeah, this bad boy, I'm going to go through it. It's going to get dropped off in that green Persian lime fire mist Eldo, and I will be closer to my dream car. Got to spend money to make money. This is the first video of this project. So that motor, got to tear it down, go through it. Training's done, diff's done. The diff is actually in other videos I've already done, and we're gonna make it happen. So can't wait to see the rest of these videos. So you're welcome.